What's good, YouTube? Welcome back. This is your boy Dion with Quality Custom Designs, and in today's video we will be doing an embroidery design. As you can see on the screen, it will be the Adidas logo. I just want to play around with some of the name brand logos, so probably the next couple of videos it'll be different logos. You might see the Jordan, the Nike, probably Reebok. I might do the Polo. I just want to do different brands just to see how this embroidery machine can match up to probably one of the industrial machines that they have out that is printing all of these different name brand logos and stuff. So I just want to try some stuff out. So definitely stay tuned, continue watching, and let's go ahead and get into the video. Alrighty, so all I have to do now is go ahead and put this pressure foot down and start it up. And the bobbin is loose, obviously, so let me go ahead and bag this up real quick. Pause it and I'll be right back. Alrighty, so we are back. Let's go ahead and try this again. Better. So it looks like it's sticking now. Perfect. So for anyone that might ask the question, no, I'm not trying to sell these name brand designs. I'm just trying to try something new. Just want to see how the regular machine match up to the bigger machines. That's all. Not saying that no one couldn't use this small machine to do it. I just know that most factories and big name businesses use the bigger machines. So, but I just want to see how does it compare, you know. So yeah, like I said, I'm gonna bring some more videos out too, so definitely stay tuned to that. And if you got any ideas that you might want to see me stitch out, like I said, go ahead and put them in the comments below, and I'll definitely go ahead and try to digitize it and, you know what I mean, give you guys a show on these videos. So definitely stay tuned. Okay, that is a long jump stitch. Go ahead and stop it right here. Cut this jump stitch, be right back. on to the next one. All right, guys, let me know what you think in the comments below, how the design is coming out so far. Go ahead, put them in the comments below. Also, if you have gotten this far and you're still watching the video, please do me a huge favor and go ahead and hit those notifications, subscribe to the channel, as well as hit those thumbs up. It will be greatly appreciated. Once again, guys, you guys keep me going. You guys keep me wanting to make more videos. I appreciate you guys. Thank you again to those who are subscribed. I appreciate it. Like I said, once again, in the comment section, if you have any ideas, go ahead, put them down there below, and I can see what I can come up with. Most likely, everything I'm doing right now is just off of my own head right now, off the top of my head. So go ahead and put it in the comment section, and we can see what we can work with. I know my bobbin is running low, so I will be changing that soon. I don't know when it's going to stop. So I am going to change that soon. Just waiting for the notification to pop up on the screen, which it's funny. Just set it and the bobbin thread is almost empty. Just popped up. So I am going to go ahead and change this. Be right back, guys. Stay tuned. All right, so the bobbin was changed. Everything is good to go. All righty. And I'm going to go ahead and cut the jump stitch real quick. Perfect. All right. I don't know why I'm using these small scissors. I do have the curve scissors that can fit in tight spaces, but hey, let's get it. All right, y'all, let me know what y'all think so far. How's the video turning out? How does the design look? All right, I'm gonna stop it here. All right, so after this, we will be going into the lettering, which will be spelling out Adidas. So definitely stay tuned, guys. And if you are still here and you are sticking around and you are watching right now, go ahead and do me a huge favor and hit those notifications, subscribe to the channel, and go ahead and thumbs up the video. Let's get this to about 20 likes. You know, let's just see if we can get it to 20 likes. Like I said, definitely got more footage, more video coming to you soon. Just going to play around with some of these logos. And if you do need your logo digitized, contact me via DM on Instagram at Quality Custom Designs. And the link will also be in the description below. So go ahead, check it out, as well as on my home page. You'll see it in the right corner, right bottom corner. So go ahead and check it out. Click that link. You'll go right to my Instagram page. Appreciate it, guys. Go ahead and clip this real quick. All right. All right, y'all. Design's looking dope, coming out clean. In the near future, well, let's just say soon, I am working on my website right now, as well as a Etsy shop. So definitely stay tuned for that. I will give you an update on that, so let you know when everything ready. And I will have patches and embroidery files available to purchase, so you can go home and make your own design. So definitely stay tuned to that, guys. So I will be having all that up soon. So I'll let you know if anything else come up, but definitely stay tuned, guys. We are on the last letter. Thank you guys for sticking around. If you're still here watching, I appreciate you guys' support. One thing I just forgot to do was cut my jump stitch. I mean, it's not a big issue. It's just a pet peeve for me. I like to cut my jump stitches and get them out of the way early, but it's no biggie. No big deal. So, like I said, the design's almost done. We're almost home, y'all. Appreciate you guys for sticking it out with me. And we are officially done. So let me go ahead and take it out the hoop and show you guys the final result. Stay tuned. All right, YouTube, talk to me. Let me know what you guys think. Like I said, no, it's not perfect. Couple of spots that I see that it messed up on. It's like a small spot right here, but that's because of the design and how it was programmed. So basically where I did my start and finish stitch, it have these areas. It was a gap right here, probably in the software and the digitizing software. So that's the only reason why that's coming out like that. But other than that, let me know what you guys think in the comments, how it looks, how it came out. Like I said, I do have more of these videos coming up with name brands. Let me know. I could probably go ahead and do the Nike next. It's all what you guys think. So go ahead, put it in the comments below, and we definitely gonna come out with some more videos. So appreciate you guys for sticking around. As always, this is your boy Dion with Quality Custom Designs. Stay blessed and always continue to strive for greatness. Peace out, family.